back to the channel. Now, good news, Cardano has hit our intended targets. Now, you have to make sure you watch this till the end because this is a very important video. And with that being said, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, turn the bell notification on so you can keep up to date on all my recent videos. And remember, guys, nothing you see in this video is financial advice, so always make sure to do your own research. So let's walk through the journey. Now, if you have been following this YouTube channel from the start, you would have been able to take advantage of the entry here and the entry here. But you know what? Let's do something different today. Let's just focus on where we currently are. Now, I'm on the 4-hour time frame. You can see that we've seen a sharp trend to the upside. We even hit our all-time high area, but of course we've seen a rejection, a close below the $1.39 area, and it does look like we could potentially see some further movement to the upside. So a lot of traders will take this as a selling formation. However, I'm still extremely bullish on Cardano, and what's quite interesting and what I'm really pleased to see is that when every other cryptocurrency was down, this cryptocurrency managed to stay afloat, right? This was the only cryptocurrency that was in profit whilst everything was down, right? So that's good news. So where can we expect our next target to be? Now, let's just zoom out again, guys. And the reason why we zoom out is so we can see a bigger picture, right? When we're zoomed in on the lower time frames, all you can see is what's in front of you. Whereas when you zoom out, you'll be able to see what's on the left and look at more historic data. So you can obviously predict where price could potentially go in the future. And, you know, there's something that we say in the foreign exchange market is look left, structure leaves clues, right? Look left, structure leaves clues. And this is a very important, this is a very important saying that I want you guys to focus on moving forward, is that when you looked left, you can see where price has gone historically, which means you can map out where price could go in the future, which is how we managed to predict all these setups, guys. It wasn't magic. It was using technical data alongside the fundamental, right? Just because there's key levels there doesn't necessarily mean that price will go there. And an example of this would be Dragon Chain, and so many other different cryptos. So guys, you have to remember there are fundamentals heavily involved in this as well. And again, there's a lot going on with this project this month in particular, which is why we did actually see the rally to the upside, right? So it's not just random. The technicals are aligning with the fundamental data. Now, with that being said, let's zoom back out. So where can we expect price to go next? Now, obviously, we've already hit an all-time high and there's no more historical data to have a look at, right? So what do we do now? Now we can use, inferences from other cryptocurrencies, and basically we can have a look at how that cryptocurrency reacted when it did hit an all-time high and use that to map out on the potential in this, right? So that's if you didn't know how to use the Fibonacci retracement tool, which is a very important tool to use when predicting where price will go next. Or we can also look at the overall market cap, right? We can use the market cap in terms of where we are now, predict where the market cap could potentially go in the future, and we can use that to map out what price point this particular cryptocurrency could be. So that's another thing you can do moving forward, right? Or you could also map out, like I said, the Fibonacci extension tool. Now I'm going to do that on a separate video. I'm going to show you guys how you can use the Fibonacci extension tool to map out where price could go next, right? Because I feel like that would be really good for you. But in this instance, we're going to use purely we're going to use purely the market cap to predict where price will go next. And the reason why is because I feel like this is the easiest thing that you guys can do moving forward to be able to be more profitable in your trading. So let's have a look at where the market cap is now. So let's just get up Cardano market cap. So We'll get that up now. So the market cap is currently 40 billion. 40 billion. Now, obviously we're not live, so I can't see this in the comment section, but I want you to have a quick think and almost say to yourself, how much do you believe that this should be valued at by, the end of the year, right? What do you believe that this market cap can increase to by the end of the year, considering that this is now the third largest cryptocurrency? Charles was actually a co-founder of Ethereum, so he does know how to scale projects. And if you look deeper into his project, you will understand that this guy really knows what he's doing. And to put things into perspective, the market cap of Ethereum is $174 billion. $174 billion. The market cap of Cardano is $40 billion. I believe we can at least hit 50 billion market cap by the end of the month. I do believe that we can actually do that. So now that we've hit our next, we've hit our next target level, I believe we're going to hit $2 next. Now, of course, guys, I am kind of cheating here because I did use a Fibonacci retracement tool to map out, certain areas, but it's in confluence with the actual market cap prediction, right? So I believe we'll hit at least $10 billion added to this by the end of the year. So we can look between $2 and $2.50. So what we'll do now is we'll just have a target one area, as we always do. And guys, if you have any doubts, just look back on our previous video and you will see how accurate we actually are, right? This isn't just random. This is all verified and that you can actually see moving forward. So let's just map this up. Target one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this target one in for now. I'm not going to do a target two because I don't want to distract you guys. So let's just highlight this so you can see this overall area. In fact, let's just draw this out a bit further so you can have a look. So we'll say target $2. Okay, there we go. I'll just highlight this to you. I want to show you guys how accurate these and again, we are still in a price discovery phase, right? Once we break an all-time high, we're in the price discovery phase, right? We're still mapping, and that's Cardano is, again, it's still, I believe this project will work best long term, which is why, again, I do not plan on selling all of my holdings or anything like that. I don't mind taking a bit of profits along the way to reinvest in other projects, but this is something that we're definitely holding for the long term because we do believe this project will work best long term. So let's just look at a target one. Our percentage to hit that target is 60%, which again is very fair. And if we compare that to, again, just have a look at the cryptocurrency space, this is extremely conservative, guys. So $2 is our next target area. So let's just map this out, and as you can see, we're literally getting ready to launch. So I'm just going to circle this for you guys now so you can have a quick look at this, where we are now. So all we're waiting for is a break above this key resistance area. Once we break this key resistance area, we'll be targeting the $2 level. And with that being said, guys, make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because we have a lot more videos for you this month, especially after this video. So, another one will be highlighted, to make sure you turn the bell notification on so you can stay up to date with that. And remember, guys, when others are fearful, be greedy. And when others are greedy, be fearful. And at the moment, people are looking extremely fearful. So let's eat this up. And with that being said, guys, seize the day.